Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook spring rolls. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need delicate rice paper wrappers, thin vermicelli noodles, and your preferred protein, like shrimp or tofu, alongside crisp vegetables such as lettuce, carrots, and cucumbers. Prepare your filling by cooking any raw items and finely slicing everything. Then, set up a dipping station with a shallow dish of warm water for softening the wrappers and a clean, flat surface for rolling. Now for the fun part, rolling. Take one rice paper wrapper and gently submerge it in warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds, or until it becomes soft and pliable. Lay it flat on your clean work surface. Arrange a small, neat amount of your prepared filling near the bottom edge, leaving space on the sides. Fold the bottom edge over the filling, then fold in the left and right sides, and finally, roll it up tightly from the bottom to the top, creating a neat cylinder. No spring roll is complete without a delicious dipping sauce. You can whip up a classic peanut sauce by combining creamy peanut butter, hoisin sauce, fresh lime juice, and a hint of chili for a little kick. Another fantastic option is a vibrant nuoc cham, made with fish sauce, sugar, water, lime juice, and minced garlic. Make sure your sauces are well balanced in flavor, offering a perfect sweet, savory, and tangy counterpoint to your fresh, crisp spring rolls. Once your spring rolls are beautifully rolled, it's time to serve and enjoy them. For the best texture and flavor, serve them immediately. Arrange your freshly made rolls attractively on a platter, perhaps garnished with a few fresh herbs. Place small bowls of your delicious dipping sauces alongside for everyone to enjoy. These light and refreshing rolls make a wonderful appetizer or a healthy, satisfying meal. Enjoy every fresh, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.